Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you how we can execute some part of our SSIS package on Monday, some part on Wednesday, and for example some part on the weekend. So this is my profile. I have 13 plus years of experience on Microsoft technologies, especially in SSIS and SQL Server. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is how to execute some part of your SSIS package on Monday, some part on Wednesday, and some part on Saturday and Sunday. So let's jump to the demo. So this is my SSIS package on which I want to implement this thing. Actually recently I came across a situation in which I had to execute some part of my SSIS package on Monday and others on Friday. So that's why I thought to maybe share this thing with you, like how we can implement this. So this is my basic SSIS package where I had an execute SQL task which I want to execute on Monday, and this part I want to execute on Wednesday, and this part I want to execute on weekend. And I don't want to, for example, disable or enable anything. I just want my complete SSIS package to be like created, and then it should get the today's date, and then from that date it should get the current day, like which day it is today, and then accordingly it should execute the respective SSIS code. So I have three parts here. So to implement that, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to create an SSIS variable. So let's create a variable. We can call it like maybe like day name, and we can select the data type as string, and let me give some default value. We can give any value. I'm just giving Sunday here. It doesn't matter actually what value you give here. Let's close this one, and now open your SQL Server Management Studio and create a new query. So you need to write select date name dw comma get date function. Okay, so this will return the today's day name. So today is Wednesday actually, so that's why it is returning the Wednesday. So copy this query, open your SSIS package, and then just drag and drop the execute SQL task, and then you can name it like maybe get today's name. Okay, and just make a connection to any SQL instance. It really doesn't matter. So you can paste the query that you copied, click OK, and then under result set select single row, and under result set click add, put 0 here, and then because this is the only variable, so it is by default selected the day name, click OK. So we have configured this thing. Now connect the execute SQL task with all three sequence containers. Okay, and now I think now it's time to the main part of this particular SSIS package. So just double click on it, and then under constants select expression and constants, and then click on these three dots and drag and drop the day name and put equal to Monday. Evaluate expression, you can copy this expression, click OK. Okay, now double click this one, Wednesday one, change it to expression and constant, and then put the value here, and change the Monday to Wednesday. Copy this one again, evaluate expression, okay, okay, and for weekend select expression and constant, this one. So for weekend it should execute on Saturday or Sunday, so I will put Saturday here, and then or, and then I will put Sunday here. Okay, evaluate expression true, because the default value I gave the day name was Sunday, so that's why it is evaluating to true. So click OK. Okay, so our SSIS package is ready. So when it will run, it will get the current date's name from here. It will assign it to this variable day name, and then it will evaluate this precedence constants thing. So it will check if the value, if the today's day equal to Monday, then the condition will be true, so it will execute this part. Similarly, it will check this expression. So if today's day, I think I put the name Wednesday wrong here, I can just remove the one extra day from here. Okay, so test connection is evaluated successfully. So For this expression, it will check like if today's day name is equal to Wednesday, then this particular code will be executed. And similarly, it will check like if the day name is Saturday or day name is Sunday. So if the day lies between Saturday or Sunday, then it will execute this particular part. Now because today is Wednesday, so this particular code should be executed. So let me execute my SSIS package. So you can see that the middle part got executed because today is Wednesday. And now suppose if I want to execute, I want to test it for Monday. So let me open my calendar and see when is Monday. So Monday is lying on 26th July. So let me just put the date as 26th July here and let's see how it works. So instead of get date, if I put for example 2107 2026, I think it was 26, yeah, so 26 July I put. So now it should execute on Monday. I'm just testing it, but you should put the get date value there. So you saw that it executed the Monday part. Similarly, if I want to test it for example for weekend, so weekend is lying on 24 or 25, so maybe let's try to put 24 here. So if I put the value 24 here, then the last code should be executed. So just click on start, and now you can see that the last part got executed. So I think it's working fine. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much.